TF card upgrade steps. Note: not for all models. First, open the download link for card making tool. Click Download and save the tool. Unzip the tool's compressed folder. Open the Phoenix Card Aoocci tool. Insert the TF card into the computer. First, click the Restore Card button. Then click Firmware to import the firmware file. Click Burn Card and wait for completion. Tip: green light means successful burning. Power off the device. Unscrew the bottom screws. Insert TF card. Power on the device. Upgrade starts automatically. Video is being accelerated, please wait. Power off, remove TF card. Power on again and wait for the boot up upgrade to complete. Verify success by checking the system version. Note: after TF card upgrade, must select Restore Card in the tool, otherwise, the device will re-enter upgrade mode on restart.